Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making tempura green bean fingers. And while the sauce is delicious and my green beans were perfectly cooked, I don't like frying and I didn't use nearly enough oil. So the results are predictable. More like fall apart tempura green beans. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see is what is available in my home or local grocery. First, let's make our sauce so it has time to cool and marinate. Grate about a quarter teaspoon or to your liking of peeled ginger and set next to the stove. In a small saucepan over medium heat, whisk together half a cup of water, the temperature does not matter, a quarter cup of reduced sodium soy sauce or tamari, 2 tablespoons of mirin, half a teaspoon of rice vinegar, half a teaspoon of granulated sugar, and your grated ginger. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture becomes fragrant. Pour it into a bowl and set aside till you're ready to eat. Now let's move on to our green beans. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of ice cold water and 1 large egg. Sift 3/4 cup of flour over the egg mixture and whisk to combine. Here is also where you could add some salt and pepper or paprika or other spices if you wanted. The batter will be lumpy. Add 3 ice cubes. Line a large baking sheet with paper towels and place it near the stove. You'll want to be ready. Pour avocado or canola oil for frying into a heavy saucepan or deep fryer to depth of 2 inches. As you can see, mine wasn't nearly deep enough. Set the pan over medium-high heat until the oil reaches 360 Fahrenheit on a deep fry thermometer. Adjust the stovetop temperature as needed to maintain the correct frying temperature. While the oil heats up, lay the green beans evenly on a second large baking sheet and dust with remaining 2 tablespoons of flour. Toss to coat evenly. Once the oil is at the desired temperature, add 1/3 of the green beans to the egg batter, submerging to coat them evenly. Using tongs, remove the green beans from the batter a few at a time. Let the excess batter drop back into the bowl and carefully lower them into the hot oil. Fry, stirring occasionally with the tongs until crisp and lightly browned, about 3 minutes. Recently, an international team of paleontologists have revealed that a late Jurassic Chinese sauropod known as Mamenchisaurus sino-canodorum, say that 3 times fast, sported a 15-meter long neck, the longest neck ever. That's 49 feet and approximately 195 green beans. Using tongs, remove the green beans from the hot oil and transfer to the paper towel-lined pan to drain. Season with salt or spices of choice to taste. Repeat until all the green beans are cooked, making sure the oil returns to 360 degrees in between the batches. Serve with the prepared sauce and enjoy. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's Kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy, and remember, only nice people get sweets.